Hello, fellow travelers. I'm on the way to my daughter's bus stop. And as you can see, super cloudy. And let me tell you, the air is thick with smoke. I literally can barely breathe out here. So, it's disgusting. It's, I can't imagine if you have like asthma or something like that. And I looked, I'm about, I think it's at 900 miles away from where these fires are. I am extremely far away from where these fires are. And the smoke down here is outrageous. Look at that. You can barely see that plane. It's all smoke. Crazy. Alright guys, peace out. Get yourself a respirator.